video on another cup holder that I purchased. I'm hoping it resolves the issue in regards to one of my cup holders that can't hold a cup. It's a small cup holder. I have no idea what it's for. A can doesn't even fit in there, so it's for a specific type of container or cup or something. Very small. So I decided to get these. These are universal. Comes in a 2-pack. And the idea behind these is that they hook on the actual window of the vehicle. I'm hoping that they're strong enough to hold a cup. So, the way I'll test them is I have to go to a trip tomorrow. I actually have to go into the city tomorrow. And I'm gonna set it up and I'm going to put a full can of a drink in it to see how well it holds up during and after my trip. So this is the information, just in case you're looking for it. The instruction manuals are part of the packaging. Metallic, cushiony. I guess this is where the cup holder will mount to. Let me get a measuring tape. Seems okay. Plastic, but doesn't seem cheap. Seems like it'll hold a cup. I'm going to mount this on the window and see how well it holds up. So I guess this part will go inside the area of where the actual window goes down into. Just hoping that this doesn't block that from going up and down. I'd hate for the window to be going up and bringing this up. What I like about this is the fact that you can close it out. Okay, this comes out and it does stick, I guess, to the door. I'm not going to use that for now. So just in case you're curious, let me see how long is the corner there to the bottom. 5.5. It's about a 1/2 inch wide. This little area here is probably going to be about 1.5 inches long. I'm hoping it works, and I'm hoping it solves my drink mounting issue. Nice thing is that if it does work, so the way you mount it pretty much, I think is, bring this over, yeah. Let me close it up. So, crush that, close that. And then bring this over. Bring it up. Hold on. Bring it up, and it's closed. Now I'm supposed to hook this to the door, and it's supposed to sit flat. And when I need a drink, or when I need to mount a can or some kind of drink, I just how do you open this thing up? Perfect. Awesome. Okay. Let's try it out. So I'm putting it here. I think this is the best place for it. And I'm going to... I hope it fits. I hope
you have
it
to open
fits.
the window?
Let me see. Car's off. Shouldn't be. You may be right. It may be too thick for the car. Oh, no. You were saying it was too wide. Okay. I think the thing may be too thick. All right, let me see what I can do. It's not going to fit. In my car, this metal is too thick. Way too thick. I can't fit it in. I probably can make it where I could probably put it in where the glass is. But once I raise the window, it's gonna, disconnect it. It's not gonna. It doesn't fit. I tried. I don't want to break anything in the car. Is it fitting? No,
that's as far as it goes.
That's where it goes. No, that's where the. But once I press the window to go up, it's gonna remove it.
Over here only goes up to here.
Yeah, it's not going in, so it might not be able to fit in your car. The thickness. Even the other end didn't fit. So this is pretty sealed in my car. So you may have the same issue. Yeah, I can't get in there. But let me show you how it would have looked. My wife's gonna hold it in place. So this is the actual how it would look. And then can you flat like this? All right, let it go. Hold it like that. That's the way it was supposed to fit. So it's supposed to fit like that. And then you pull this, bring this, again, it's difficult to open this. It was very difficult even to open it. Once it's clipped in, it's hard to open it. I had to, let me try it again. Okay, hold it like that and then hold it tight. So I have to hold it here and pull, okay. So you kind of have to grab it from the ends here.
And squeeze it maybe.
Squeeze it and pull it. Oh, not squeeze it, just pull it. Squeeze a little bit. And then pull. Okay, there it is. Like that. Okay. So now, let's put the can of soda. And that's how it would have looked. That's pretty cool. I like it. We have an issue because we have this strange cup holder that's slim. We don't know what it's for. We're still investigating what it's even called. If you guys could tell me, this right here, this is a lot smaller than the regular size one. And we're looking for an adapter for that. But for now, we were looking to hopefully kind of use this in its place. It would have been nice looking because it kind of, once you're done, you're driving around. I guess it shakes a little bit. Once you're done, you lift it up. Push this down, push this up, and now it's kind of out of the way and just sits there. It's not bad looking, right?
I think it looks good.
Yeah.
You just need to find
we
the
don't
place.
care about blocking the speaker.
You just need to find, you need to find the place to put it.
All right. So I hope the video helps. This is going back. I can't use it. It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit anywhere in my car. So I gotta return it. I really wanted to keep it, but it's not gonna work for me. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Bye now.
Bye.
I just want to say my wife made an observation where maybe even putting it where the speaker is would not be a good idea because the speaker would get wet. If you have a drink there, there's a possibility of hitting a bump and liquid bouncing out of the can and going into these little grooves of the speaker. So heads up with that also. That's very true. I would probably have put it over here somewhere, thinking about that. All right, thank you for watching. Bye now.